Welcome to SUNSOAR. Today, we will introduce you to our PCB assembly service. At SUNSOAR, we specialized in delivering high-quality, reliable PCB assembly service. Whether you need small-scale prototypes or large-scale production, we provide customized solutions to meet your needs. Our process begins with sourcing components and PCB boards. We partner with leading global suppliers to ensure the quality and consistency of all materials. In the surface mount technology phase, we utilized state-of-the-art automated equipment to ensure precise placement of each component on the PCB. Through solder paste printing, component placement, and with flow soldering, your products achieve impeccable solder joint quality. For products requiring through-hole technology, our skilled technicians ensure the reliability of each solder joint through wave soldering or meticulous hand soldering. Quality is our top priority. We employed automated optical inspection, X-ray inspection, and rigorous functional testing to ensure every solder joint meets design specifications and functional requirements. If any issues are identified during inspection, our team conducts prompt repairs to uphold the quality and reliability of the final product. During assembly and packaging, we pay meticulous attention to detail to ensure your products arrive safely during transportation. Choosing SUNSOAR means choosing professionalism, quality, and trust. Let us be your reliable partner in electronic product manufacturing, working together towards your business success. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our website or contact our customer service team.